Hello guys, welcome to my review channel. Today I'll be unboxing and giving you a review of this mechanical keyboard from CosmicByte. Model number is GK-16 Firefly. All keys are RGB. Individual keys can be customized. You can see the specification: braided cable, 1.6 meter cable length. It is a 87 key, 10 less key keyboard, and it comes with the Ultimo blue switches. MRP is 2600 rupees. I paid 1700 rupees from Amazon. You can get it for much cheaper during offer period. This is how the keyboard comes with: simple packing, braided cable, very nice quality. I would say it's very premium and thick compared to other brands like Logitech. Rubber standoff feet are there so that it doesn't slide around on the table. This is how the keyboard looks like on the side. It has got quite height, but no mouse palm rest are included. The whole metal frame is on the top, and the bottom is made of plastic. Now you can see each and individual keycap is made of good quality plastic, and every single key has a Ultimo blue switch. Now blue switches are known to be loud and clicky, and this keyboard is like that. Now we're going to take a look at all the different animations. There are 30 plus different animations provided by the company inbuilt the keyboard. Plus, with combination and different color combination and animation combination, you can get over 1,000 combination of animations. Each and individual key has an individual LED, RGB LED. No zones are there, so you can customize each and single keys to a different color using the software. It also comes with a software you can download from the CosmicByte website. I'll show you on later, but I would avoid that software because it is slow and it hangs a lot. Now you can fast forward and check out all the animations that are there. You can change the speed, brightness, direction of animation, the color, and the frequency also. Now for this price, for 1700 rupees, I would say it's a must buy. But if you're getting a much better deal, I would ask you to get this keyboard as soon as possible, because at this price most keyboard comes with zone lighting, which means there are like hardly 6 to 7 colors on the keyboard, and you cannot individually customize the colors of the keys. So I would say it's a very good premium quality product for such a price. I would say you can definitely buy this. Coming to the anti-ghosting function, I'll show you later on the video. Anti-ghosting function means while you're gaming, if you press multiple keys, all the keys will get registered, which is necessary for multiplayer gaming. So according to the company, all the keys have anti-ghosting functions, which means if you press all the keys together on the keyboard, all of them will get registered at the same time. So you can check it out. I tried pressing all the keys, but it presses like almost all the keys. So you can check out all the features. CosmicByte does include a keyboard control software for the RGB LED, and you can also set the macro functions, and you can also set the animation speed, brightness, everything. But I would say to avoid this software because it is clunky and it hangs a lot of times. Now we'll test the anti-ghosting function. It says all keys are anti-ghosting. As you can see, I'm trying to press all the keys, but it serves the purpose. Now it does work on Android phones. I've used a USB ODG Type-C cable, and as you can see, I'm typing on my mobile phone using the keyboard.